Hi, this is Zach Selway with Selway Machine Tool Company. We're standing outside our Silicon Valley showroom here in beautiful Union City. This is our holiday Christmas party 2018. Let's go step inside and see what's going on. So as you can see behind me, we are a Haas factory outlet here. We've been one since 1988, and now we're one of the top dealers in the world, 4 years running. We got the hardware to prove it. We can step on side. We got plenty of demos here. I'm going to show you a few of the machines. We got a TL2, Haas UMC 750, a DT1, and a VF4 SS. So let's go check it out. Standing here with Joe Buck, one of our Hotshot application engineers here at Selway Machine Tool. Joe, why don't you tell me what we got going on over here?
Sure. Thanks, Zach. So what we got is a VF4 SS, and for our demo today, we just put a big block of aluminum in there, making a straight line cut, but the catch is that as we're cutting the aluminum block, we're actually singing Christmas carols.
I'm here with Todd Stevens from HP 3D and our very own Ken Sturi, our head of additive development here at Selway Machine Tool. Why don't you guys tell me a little bit about the HP 4200?
Awesome, thank you very much, Zach. So this is our HP Multijet 4200. Here we have our processing station where the process begins. Where we fill up the build unit here with material. Once it's all filled with material, we take the build unit, we wheel it right over here to our printer, where it then begins to print. It's about a 10 to 12 hour process. Once it's complete printing, you can go ahead and pull the build unit out, place another build unit in, and continue to print. So you could actually print 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
We're standing in front of the Matsuura MX520 5-axis machine. I'm here with Justin Ferguson with Autodesk and our very own James Mayette, application engineer, Southern California, or I guess our global application engineer maybe. Guys, why don't you tell me a little bit about the demo we have going on here?
Yeah, so this started out last year as a project on the MX330. And one of the advantages with working with the Matsuura and Selway is that it comes with Complete. And we were very easily able to adapt it from the MX330 to the MX520, changing a little bit on the work holding and then the lengths of the tool, and very easily just push through the same program with Power Mill to Complete and then right onto the machine.
Fantastic. James, I saw you working on this for the past couple days, and we got a couple good ones out of there.
Yep.
What do you think of this demo here?
It's a really nice demo. It shows a lot of different machining strategies for 5-axis parts, and there's a little bit of 2D stuff in there too.
Cycle time?
2 hours, 24 minutes, 15 seconds.
We're here in front of the Wachion Hit 400 Drill Tap Center. Joe's in there changing out some material that we're going to do what we called our speed cut demo. So basically we're giving a single part, 2 ops. I think we're done in what, 90 seconds, Joe? Just under 2 minutes. All right, I'm standing here with Nick Tonti, Trinity Technical Sales Manager, and Eric Sheftick, known as the Boy Wonder. He's a robotics software engineer. We're standing in front of the Trinity AX3 robotic pallet cell. It's teamed up here with the Matsuura MX330. Nick, why don't you tell me a little bit about this?
Yeah, so this cell is basically a pallet management system. The idea is just to make it user-friendly, pretty simple, so the operators can load parts onto pallets, use the front-end user interface, put in their parts, sit them into the system, and allow it to run lights out. As simple as can be.
I'm with Matt Evans from 5th Access Work Holding, I guess we're calling it nowadays. Why don't you, thanks for coming, by the way.
Thanks for
Appreciate
having
it.
us.
Thanks for all your support.
Same to you guys.
5th Access is fantastic. Work Holding, tons of our customers utilize it. I think you saw it on our UM750 demo that we had running over there. Matt, why don't you tell me a little bit about what you got new?
Sure. So we've got our new product lines, the Rock Lock quick change system. So it's a 4 pull stud quick change system, 3, 4, and 5 axis, any make and model, compatible with a lot of the other 0-point systems, and that's kind of what we're pushing.
So I'm here with Bill Selway, the president of Selway Machine Tool Company. And Bill, why don't you tell us a little bit about this facility here, the showroom, beautiful here in Silicon Valley?
In early 1980s, actually 81, we decided to put up a facility that nobody else had in Northern California to allow our customers to come in and actually see the equipment, see it running, giving technical demonstrations on the equipment and accessories and components. Prior to us having this building and the shows, there was only a show down in LA every 2 years and one every 4 years in Chicago for machine tools. You will notice out front in our lobby there's some pictures of some of the shows we had back then, and there were some years when we had 2,000 or 3,000 people come through in a 2 or 3 day period. What it did help is it helped the customers here locally keep up with the really rapid growth of both semiconductor and electronics in the Bay Area here. And we have continued that philosophy and that kind of presentation to our customers so that they could stay ahead of the competition and really stay ahead of what's going on in, especially today in China and some of the other countries. So it gives our people the ability also to meet the customers both on a technical level and on a social level, and bring kind of everybody together as a community, as a family of the machine tool industry. So we're excited to do this 2 or 3 times a year, bringing in new technology and new innovations. Thank you.